Hello, you are highly welcome. So we continue from circle geometry, and in this question we are asked to calculate the value of x, giving a reason for each step in your answer. So this is Waec problem. So now we have this question here. So I would like you to pause this video, do it yourself, then after come back and check, compare your results with mine and see what you have. So now here we are given let me call this to be B, D, C, E. We have this figure, and the question is to get the value of x, right? So now when you look at this, we have x here and we have 2x here. Okay, so but because we are asked to do it step by step, I'm going to be taking my time to explain this to those that are just learning this. So now what we are going to do is that we only need this side here. You know that if we know what we have here, so we can just use angle, the sum of angle in a triangle. We add this and we add this, we add this together and we equate it to 180 degrees. But how are we going to get this one? And that should be our focus. So now this is very simple. Look at what we are going to do. Look at this 60 here. So what's this 60 degrees? What is it doing here? Okay, so this is just like an instrument for us to get this one. Okay, if you look at this, look at A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, you can see this is touching the circle, so it means that that is what? Cyclic quadrilateral. So now there's a law, or there's a theorem that says that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the what? Is equal to the interior opposite. If this is what? If this is exterior, the interior to this is this one here, and the angle that is opposite to this one is this angle here. Do you understand now? So now the opposite to the interior angle of this exterior angle is this. So now the law is now telling us that the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior, this is the interior opposite angle. The opposite angle to this interior is what? Is this angle. So therefore this place is 60 degrees. Are you getting what I'm doing now? So from there, the next thing you are going to do, just add this and this together, and you have your value of x. So now what I said, now let me quickly write it down and see. So now from here, okay, let me see CBE, this place, CBE is equal to ADC. So the step is that, or the reason is that, exterior angle of what? Of cyclic quadrilateral. So that is, the exterior of this is equal to this angle here. This angle is equal to this angle here. So therefore we have CBE to be 60 degrees. Now if CB is 60 degrees here, sorry, CBE is 60 degrees, which is same thing as ADC. So ADC, I mean ADC here, ADC is what? Is 60 degrees. Now since ADC is 60 degrees here, so very simple, the next thing we are going to do now is that we're going to look at in triangle ADE. Okay, now A plus D plus E, what is it? This is E, must be equals to 180 degrees. So therefore what is our A? A is 2x, we have 2x plus D is what? 60 degrees, then plus E is x, which is equals 180 degrees. So now from here, 2x plus 2x, we're going to have 3x plus 60 degrees equals 180 degrees. So now from there, so we can see that we send this to this side, so we're going to have 3x equals 60, or 180 minus 60 degrees. 3x equals 180 minus 60 degrees, that will give us what? 120 degrees. Then divide both sides by 3. This we cancel this, we have x to be 40. So therefore we have the value we are looking for. The value of x we are looking for is what? Is, and here we did not put the reason here. The reason here is that angles in a triangle, that's the reason here. Can you see? That is it. So now it's because I'm trying to explain how we got there. That's why we take much time like this. We took much time like this. So if you are doing it yourself, once you see this, so you know what the value of x is, right? So please and please, what I discover is that majority of you watch this video. Please watch the video, and also please help to like and share this, so that this will motivate us to give you the best. So thank you so much for watching. Kindly share, kindly like and follow if you have not followed us before. Please. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.